how to create a customized assessment. First, log in your account at ExerciseBuddy.com. Click on Assessments. Then, click Add New Assessment. Customize your new assessment by completing the required information. Start by entering the assessment name. Entering a description is optional. Next, choose the type of assessment. You can choose physical assessment or other assessment. Then, select the exercise for the assessment. You can choose any of the exercises from your ExerciseBuddy app. Set your assessment in time or trials. Set the assessment score key. You can use a number score key or a visual score key. Set the criteria for each score. Add the skills you would like to assess. You can add multiple skills by clicking the plus button. When you're done customizing your assessment, click Save. Your assessment has been created.